Before first use, read the instruction manual and quick start guide to familiarize yourself with the product. Let's take a look at the robot's main components. Switch on the robot and safety pod and connect them together. Insert the safety pod connector into the socket on the robot as far as it will go. While pressing down on the connector, turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Spray the cleaning solution evenly on the two widest edges of the cleaning pad. Spray each edge approximately 8 times. Use the finishing cloth to clean the cleaning pad, fan, drive treads, and edge detection sensors. This helps to prevent the robot from sliding out of position during use. Now, we'll show you how to attach the safety pod to your window. For best results, place the safety pod next to the area of glass you want to clean. You can also place the safety pod in the corner of the window. Use the finishing cloth to wipe the safety pod, robot, and the glass you will attach them to. Apply pressure to the safety pod to release trapped air and ensure it is securely attached. Press the auto button on the robot to switch on the fan. You can then attach the robot to the window. Wait until the pressure stabilizes, then press the auto button to start cleaning. The remote control gives you access to more functions. Use the forward-backward button to make the robot move forward or backward. Use the left-right button to make the robot rotate left or right. Then use the forward-backward button to move the robot forward or backward in the chosen direction. You can also use the Start/Pause button to start or pause cleaning. This is the Deep Cleaning button. When the robot is paused, press this button to start a deep clean. The robot will automatically complete 2 cleaning cycles. Use the Reset button to disable the alarm when the robot encounters an error and stops working. In very rare cases, the remote control may stop communicating with the robot. If this occurs, switch off and restart the robot. Within 60 seconds, hold down the Auto button, robot, and Pairing button, remote control, for 5 to 8 seconds until the indicator flashes red and blue and the robot starts to beep. This indicates the remote control is paired with the robot. To detach the robot from the window, stop the cleaning process and hold down the Auto button for 5 seconds to stop the fan. You can then detach the robot from the window. The quick release handle makes the safety pod easy to remove. To prolong the lifespan of the robot and ensure optimal cleaning results, we recommend you perform some quick maintenance after each use. Remove the dirty cleaning pad and wipe the underside of the robot with the finishing cloth to remove any dust that may have accumulated. Use the remote control to move the driving treads and ensure all parts of the treads are wiped thoroughly. Don't forget to wipe the safety pod. Remember to switch off the power supply to reduce power consumption. Remove the safety tether to make the robot easier to store. The cleaning pad can be replaced in a few simple steps. Remove the dirty cleaning pad and insert a new pad in the correct orientation. Immerse the cleaning pad in lukewarm water for about 2 minutes. Rub a soft brush along the grooves of the cleaning pad to remove dirt. Fold the cleaning pad and squeeze it gently to remove excess water. Then place it in a flat position to dry. Do not squeeze the pad with excessive force or hang it up to dry, as this may cause it to lose its shape and impair its ability to absorb dirt. Charge the robot after each use to ensure it is sufficiently charged the next time you want to use it. Ensure the robot is switched on while connecting the power cable to the robot. The auto indicator will flash blue to indicate the robot is charging. The indicator goes off when the robot is fully charged. When charging is complete, please remember to switch off the robot.